In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. The first step in this integration process is to log in to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that represents the app marketplace. Click on that icon to enter the marketplace. Now that you're in the app marketplace, you'll notice a search bar. In that search bar, go ahead and type Zendesk. This will help you find the specific app we're looking for. Once you've entered the name, you should see the Zendesk app listing appear on your screen. Just click on that listing to proceed. After clicking on the Zendesk app, you will be greeted with a series of on-screen prompts to help you authenticate and link the two pieces of software together. This part is quite straightforward, but it's important to follow each prompt carefully to ensure a smooth connection between HubSpot and Zendesk. Now, I want to take a moment to highlight something important. While this integration is designed to enhance your workflow, it's worth noting that users have sometimes shared their experiences with this native app, mentioning that it encounters configuration limitations and effectiveness issues. So just keep that in mind as you proceed with the setup. Once you complete the authentication process, HubSpot and Zendesk should be successfully integrated. You will now be able to manage your customer interactions more seamlessly, pulling in support tickets from Zendesk directly into your HubSpot platform. This can significantly improve your customer service efficiency by keeping everything organized in one place. If you encounter any challenges during the integration, don't hesitate to check the help documentation provided by both HubSpot and Zendesk. Often they will have FAQs or support forums where you can find solutions to common problems. As you use this new integration, I encourage you to pay attention to how it impacts your customer engagement and service management. Over time, you should see benefits such as improved response times and better tracking of customer interactions. And there you have it. That's a step-by-step guide on how to integrate HubSpot with Zendesk. By taking the time to set this up, you're putting your business in a stronger position to enhance customer service and overall efficiency. So, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Also, feel free to leave comments below about your experience with the integration or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching. I hope this integration helps you streamline your processes and provides you with the tools to manage your customer service effectively.